Elon Musk sells Tesla stocks worth $8.5 billion as he was set to buy Twitter. Elon Musk sold about $8.5 billion worth of Tesla stock, mostly in 3 days following the announcement of a deal to purchase Twitter. In reports with the Securities and Exchange Commission on Thursday as well as Friday, Musk disclosed the selling of 9.6 million shares. The trades have been conducted for a total of $822.68 to $999.13. Tesla Inc. stock was trading at roughly $904.5 on Friday, and we'll go through all of this in this video. Let's get started. Tesla CEO, the wealthiest man, stated Thursday evening that he has no plans to sell any more of the company's stock. Musk revealed on Monday that he has agreed to buy Twitter for $54.2 per share, or $44 billion. According to experts, the deal may cause Tesla shareholders to be concerned that Elon would be sidetracked by Twitter and perhaps less involved in operating the electric vehicle company. The company will be forced to sell a considerable quantity of Tesla shares to fund the purchase. Tesla's majority shareholder is Musk. Tesla's stock fell 13% on Tuesday, the most in a single day since September 8, 2020. The stock is up more than 3% on Friday, but it is still below 10% for the week. Twitter stock increased 1.2% to $49.72, still significantly below the acquisition price. Shareholders would have to vote on Musk's Twitter's acquisitions before it is finalized. Regulators in the US and other countries wherein Twitter conducts business will follow suit. Despite complaints from some Twitter employees and users concerned about Musk's attitudes toward free speech and what it would signify for harassment as well as hate speech on the network, few roadblocks are foreseen so far. According to Kevin Kaiser, Musk Stockstill, a financial expert at the University of Pennsylvania's Wharton School, suggests that Twitter acquisitions is much more likely to end since it shows Musk intended to come up with the money. Based in San Francisco, Twitter said on Monday that it had agreed to really be purchased by Musk for $54.2 per share, or $44 billion. Morgan Stanley, Bank of America Corp., as well as Barclays PLC, among others, have agreed to finance $25.5 billion in debt, part of which is pledged against Twitter and some of which is related to Musk's Tesla stock. Musk has pledged a further $21 billion in cash. The board of directors of Twitter, which was perhaps still studying Musk's bid the week after he first offered it with minimal explanations, went into overdrive. It hastened to finish an analysis which is done in order to ascribe a value to its standalone strategy, which Parag Agrawal, Twitter CEO for 5 months, had been delivering on. It also urged bankers to double-check if there was another bidder who could really match Musk's offer. Now, what are the goals that Elon wants to achieve now that he owns Twitter? The overarching goal of Elon Musk's Twitter seems to be for citizens to be able to express themselves publicly. He maintains that everybody should be able to express whatever they want on Twitter without concern of being censored or banned. When he stated free speech, he meant anything legal, as he mentioned previously. The result could be fascinating if Musk achieves this goal of allowing Twitter complete freedom of speech. The world has witnessed too much of free expressions on social media in previous 10 years, allowing people to propagate disinformation, hatred, and even abuse. So it will be interesting to watch how Musk manages to balance free speech and the reservations that many people on Twitter or authorities may have. There are a number of robot Twitter accounts, which comes as no surprise. Musk believes that by identifying these bots using powerful AI techniques, he will be able to eradicate them. Unfortunately, distinguishing between true bots and people on Twitter who spoof bots would be impossible. For example, several Twitter users copy and paste remarks from other users as act or thought they are part of a crowd. It may be impossible for Musk to identify such individuals and prohibit them from ever being purged by the bots. Everyone should have blue ticks. Musk wants to confirm all legitimate Twitter users and eradicate bots. If Musk succeeds, the blue tick of legitimacy will be given to everyone on Twitter. Finally, Musk highlights the need for open source algorithms for transparency. He feels that Twitter is an important part of modern society and that it should be open about how it controls the information that its users make. To put it another way, Musk wants people to be able to see and understand how Twitter ranks different tweets over time, how it distributes information to its users, why some tweets go viral while others do not, and what factors can raise or decrease a tweet's or user's exposure. Musk believes that the code governing everything should be made public. So, this was all about Twitter's deal and Tesla stocks. Comment and let me know what you guys think about this deal.